Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you a quick workaround to password protect your Google Drive folders. Since Google Drive does not have a built-in password feature, we will use Google Forms to create a secure gateway. Let's dive in. First, open Google Drive and find the folder you want to lock. Right-click the folder, select Share, and then Share again. Under General Access, change the setting from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Click Copy Link and hit Done. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Forms. Create a new blank form and give it a title, such as Secure Folder Access. Now let's set up the password. Change the first question to Enter Password and set the question type to Short Answer. Click the three dots in the bottom right corner of the question box and select Response Validation. Change the first drop-down to Text. In the next box, type your chosen password. In the Custom Error text box, type something like Incorrect Password. Finally, make sure to toggle the required switch on. To attach the drive link, go to the top of the form and click on Settings. Scroll down to the Presentation section. Under After Submission, click Edit next to the confirmation message. Type a message like, Success, here is the link to your files, and paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier. Click Save, and you are done. Now you simply share the Google Form link instead of the direct Drive link. Anyone who visits will need the exact password to reveal your folder. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.